just wanna fall on my team. She up the morning low, baby, she a fiend. This shit really ain't what it seems. Big water, big dough, what you need?
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name's 𝖳𝗒𝖺. If you're new, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below, like, and share to your friends because we lit over here. And y'all, I literally just got off of work and I'm bored, so yeah, I need to record a video for next week. And I got homecoming coming up, and the video that I was supposed to drop today still haven't even came out, and it's what, 12 o'clock, 11:44. And y'all, I've been doing too much. And we gonna eat some food while we on monkey smoking and stuff, you know, chit chatting and blase. So first we gonna spark this wood and we gonna jump right into it, y'all. I ain't even trying to waste no time. Y'all, that nigga stole my lighter. That nigga stole my lighter, y'all. I know I got a black Vic that work. Sitting here somewhere. Meanwhile, I didn't say I said I didn't know where it was at. And I turned on my flashlight. It's right in front of my face. Cheers, y'all.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put...
You know Duke Dennis?
You said I look like him?
No, you don't.
I was gonna say, bitch, because you fucking dick sucking if you say that shit. Like, I swear, if I hear some old dick suckery, I'm getting off. What's up?
You work at Popeyes, bruh?
Love that chicken at Popeyes.
Yes, sir.
No. Not passing this out to nobody. My hair do look frizzy, y'all. I was on drive-through today.
Yo, what's good with you and shit like that? Looking mad good and shit. You just came out of work?
Yeah.
That's fire. Like, where my 6-piece at? I know you're not about to pull the chicken out. Nah, why you moving like that? How you gonna get you some chicken? I'm black too.
I got you. Here.
Oh yeah, I'm busting that down. Ketchup and house with like a little black nigga.
Ketchup?
Yeah.
Bro. Hey, because people really do be asking for ketchup in the drive-thru too, and I'm like, ketchup? Like, y'all really be eating chicken and fucking ketchup, bro? Like, y'all nasty. Y'all are nasty.
Did you ever try it?
No, because why would I?
Try it. I'm talking shit buzz. Put like a little bit of ketchup and flood the shit with hot sauce. Pour half the bottle of that motherfucker.
Half the bottle?
Yeah.
What kind of bottle is we talking? Like, one of them small bottles of hot sauce?
Nah, them big shit. Like the one that comes with
Bro, you shit in flames.
Yeah, right. Yeah, shit in flames, nigga.
Period. Man. What's up? I like your hair color. Nice. I don't see nobody with green hair. Said, what am I doing? What I usually see: red, purple, blonde. Said what? Yeah, I guess. YOTV's allowed. You got kids? How many kids you got?
12.
You playing now? I don't have no kids. How old are you? I just asked you that. I'm trying to know how many, like, cause you don't got 12 fucking kids. But you got kids though, for real? Oh, okay. I was gonna say, yeah, I couldn't imagine myself with kids. I don't like them. Like, I don't know, like, yeah, I wouldn't have them no time soon. Like, if I had kids ever, it'd probably be like, not in my 30s, but like maybe 29 max. Like, I don't want to be no old ass parent, but I don't want to be no young ass parent. Like, I got shit to do.
Why you say you don't like
They irritating. They loud. They ask too many questions. They do too much. They copy you. They follow everything you do. Everywhere they go or you want to go, they want to go. Like, come on now. That shit irritating as fuck. I don't feel like having you follow me around. Why do you want to see what I'm doing? Get the fuck out my phone. Why are you asking so many questions? And germs. They touch everything. Put shit in their mouth. They want to play with everything. That's not a toy. Get out my room. Don't touch shit. Put it back. No, get out. Bye. Like, what? That's just that.
that sound good, but I bet you was doing the same shit that when you was doing everything you just described.
Duh, because every kid do, but that's the thing. I don't want to have that around. I don't want that. Yeah, that's why I be regular, because to be honest, it just talking about I ain't got no storage, but I do got storage. I checked that I have storage. Maybe because I clicked 4K. See, everything ain't gotta be 4K. I was supposed to say, why is he talking while I'm talking? Nobody told him to talk. Screen record. Boom. Like, what? Fuck out of here. I can't hear you. I can't hear either one of y'all. I can't hear y'all. I can't hear y'all. Two? We locked in? Oh, we locked in. Period. Do something for a boss. Do something for a real nigga. Gon' do something for a boss. Yeah. Do something for a boss. Do something. I don't even know how the song go. My food ain't even warm no more. I'm gonna go heat this up, y'all, and I'll be right back. Why I can't hear nothing? Is that my shit? I think that's my shit. Wait, is it turned up? It's turned up. I don't know. Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me? Thumbs up if you can hear me. No, you can't hear me. Okay. Get food. Yeah, y'all, we back. Y'all, low key, it's like a couple days later. Like, I have a whole different hair. I'm editing it, y'all, and my clips are like, I don't know. I was really running out of storage a lot that day, and I don't know where some of my clips at to match the screen recording. So, like, I have clips of me on Monkey, but the video part, I don't know where my video is at, y'all. So, this video is short, and yeah, I didn't even do an outro, so now I'm about to do it. So if you like the video, you know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share it to your friends, because we lit over here. Yeah.